The evaporating cloud, sometimes known as a conflict resolution diagram, is the third step in the logical thinking process. When we endeavor to make a change within our systems, the change is normally intended to benefit at least one part of the system that may be hurting. And in making any changes to a system, there will be factions or people within the system who embrace the change because it's good for them, and there will be other factions or people who resist the change or are unhappy with it because it makes life more difficult for them. When this happens, it's very frequent that conflict can result, or resistance to the change, which is the same thing. The evaporating cloud is intended to resolve resistance to change conflicts within a system. And the ultimate objective is to find some third possibility that allows for both sides in the contention to be satisfied. They may not get exactly what they desire, but they'll get what they can live with. The evaporating cloud starts with an objective, then indicates the two requirements that each side in the conflict are trying to satisfy, and it ends at the bottom with the two prerequisites, or the arguing positions of each side. Once this structure has been achieved, then we go to identifying the assumptions under each side of the conflict and identifying the weakest assumptions and creating new and innovative ways to resolve the conflict. Goldratt used to say that these were injections, and he likened it to a doctor injecting medicine into a patient in order to cure an illness. What we're doing is we're injecting some sort of a new solution into the system that will end up satisfying the needs of both sides in the conflict. It doesn't usually take very long to put an evaporating cloud together, maybe 15 to 30 minutes, if you have already done an effective current reality tree and a goal tree.